Guys, so I'm here to just solve this equation time measurement in just a few minutes. It will not take your time. Just follow me and learn. Let's go. All right. So in this equation now, this is time measurement, and equation 1 second, 60 seconds will give you 1 minute. So let me write this so you will be able to trace it as I'm solving. 60 seconds will give you what? 1 minute. Then 60 minutes gives you what? 1 hour. 1 hour. 24 hours will give you what? 1 day. So you have to understand this before you're able to solve these questions. Are you with me? So this is a common entrance question. So you have to understand this before you're able to solve this question. And then the rules that guides this, I've studied it, is that anything you're writing here should not be, now follow me, it should be less than or equal to 60. Less than or equal to 60. So you're not permitted to write anything that will be greater than 60 here. So if it's greater than 60, what do? You subtract it. Even though you are doing addition. You are doing addition here. You will subtract it. Are you with me? So for example, now look at this thing now. You have 45 plus 30, because we're doing an addition, is 75, right? 75, right? So now 75 will not be written here. Because it's what? Is greater than 60. So 75 will not be written here because 75 is what? Greater than 60. So it's not allowed. So what do? You have to subtract it. Are you with me? You have to subtract it. So it's now 75 minus 60 will give 15. So 15 is what you need. Because this is 60 seconds, give you 1 minute. And you're not permitted to write the 60. You're not permitted to write the 60. So what shall you do? What you will do is that 60, remember 60 seconds is 1 minute. And you're not permitted to write this 60 inside this, because I told you it must be less than or equal to 60. So what do? This 60 now will be translated and it will become what? 1 here. Because remember 60 seconds is 1 minute. So what we now do? We now do, because you have written 15 now, this is the answer now. The answer is 15. It's not. This one is 15. Now, 1 plus 12 is 13. 13 plus 18. So, 13, forget about this one because it's 13 plus 18. So, 3 plus 8 is what? 1. Remember that one? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is what? 61. So, this 61 are not permitted to be here. As in, so I said it must be less than or equal to 60. Please don't write 60 here. So this is not permitted to be here. So what do again? What you should do is that you now have to do what? Minus 60 by, remember 60 minutes is 1 hour. Minus by 60. Now 61 minus 60 is 1. So the answer is 1. Are you with me now? Why am I writing this so you understand it better? Because if I don't write it now, you will be confused. So now that 1 is not what you need here. So that 60 is many here. That's 60. Because so 60 minutes, then 60 minutes, that is the 1 hour. Then remaining the 1 minute remaining from the 60 minutes. Because so 60 inside this is 1. So now you write the 1. Now that 60 minutes now will turn into, remember 60 minutes is 1 hour. We now put that 1 that's remaining inside here. Inside here. Are you with me now? So it's now be 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is now what? 4. So the answer is now what? Bringing it down is 4, 1, and 15. So that is the answer for this. So is it clear now? Okay, so next to the minus. Now minus is also a fantastic one. Now let's go to minus. Now in minus now, we have 24 minus 48. So what will you do? Because 24 minus 48 is not accepted. It's not accepted. So what you should do is that you can't have negative in this kind of addition or subtraction of time measurement. What will you do? You have to borrow 1 from 8. Are you with me now? So when you borrow 1 from 8, it will now be 7 here. You now put that 1 that you borrowed. Remember, 1 minute is 1 hour. So 1 minute now 1 hour. So that thing will now be what? That 1 you borrowed here will be translated into what? 60 seconds. Because 1 minute, 60 seconds here is 1 minute. So you have to translate it into what? 60 seconds. Now, so 60 seconds is 1 minute. So you got 1 minute here, translated back to, so here it's translated back to 60 seconds. Now, You now put the 60 here. 60 plus 24 is what? 84. Are you with me? It's 84. So total you get here is 84. 84 minus 48. Let's do it. Now, here is 7. Here is 1. 14 minus 8 is what? 6. Then 7 minus 3 is what? 36. Is it clear? Yes. So now let's do another one. Now we now have units. We have 7 and 24. 7 cannot minus 24. It's very wrong. It can't go. So what do? You borrow again from the hour. And I told you anything you borrow be translated to 60. So you borrow the one from hour, it will now be what? 60 minutes. So once you borrow from hour, it will now be 60 minutes here. So once you borrow from here to 60 minutes here. So you borrow 1 from here, here is now 14. Now here will now be what? 60 minutes. Are you with me now? So now 60 plus the 7. Now 67. Now let's go again. Now this 7 now be what? 7 minus 4 is 3. Are you with me now? Because it's now 64. 64. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 2 is what? Is 4. I see now. Very, very simple. So now 40 minus 8 is now 6. So in this thing, you'll be having 6 hours, 43 minutes, and 36 seconds.